ég hef alveg verið til í. Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to second game of this World Championship here in Reykjavik. This is Division 2B. Got 3 minutes and 30 seconds until the game starts. My name is Ævar Þór Björnsson, and with me is
Pétur Mokk.
Our referee in this game is Korte Björns, and Óli Gunnarsson and Sindri Gunnarsson are linesmen.
we got 2 Icelandic referees refereeing this game, along with another referee which is about 2 meters tall. The Icelandic referees will be as a linesman here.
Really exciting game coming up.
Absolutely.
Team Belgium. We'll see.
Would you like to guess for the score?
No, it's difficult to say.
I'm gonna guess that Georgia is going to win this game 5-3.
I have to bet on Team Belgium.
I think Team Belgium is ranked higher.
Yeah. Team Belgium wins the first face-off.
Nice pass from Georgian defenseman.
Fumble on the blue line. Quick shift.
Oh, it's a good pass. Long pass from the defenseman.
Oh.
And we got the first penalty of the game.
Georgia has the first power play.
Belgian player number 11 getting 2 minutes for tripping.
The ref is setting the line for today's game.
Absolutely. And Team Georgia sets it up. Belgium clears it.
Yeah. And again, Georgia has a difficult setting up. Drops the puck, loses it. Belgium playing a strong neutral zone play.
Yeah, they got good possession of the puck, killing time in this penalty kill. But Georgia wins the puck.
Alone. Oh, nice shot! Ooh. Wow! That was close.
Belgium saves it on the goal line. It went through the 5-hole of the goalie.
The Reds were lucky.
It was close.
Slashing.
That's a slashing.
Missed
Referee
by the
says
ref.
no.
Oh, loose puck, loose puck!
And first goal of the game.
Yeah. Good shot on the net.
Shot
Great
from the
replay.
blue line.
Oh. Rebound. Sorry.
And Georgia is leading 1-0.
Goal for Team Georgia was scored by player number 12, Nikita Kukia. With assist from number 11, Andrei Romanov, and number 6, Artem Urpatov.
Belgium has a shot on the net.
Good shot.
This tall goalie freezes it.
First goal of the game, scored by player number 12, Nikita Pukia, with assist from player number 11, Andrei Romanov, and player number 6, Artem Kubatov. Georgia goes for another attack.
Comes the puck. Belgian captain. Belgium goes through.
Georgia wants a penalty there. I disagree. And now we have the second penalty of the game. Player number 2 from Belgium. No, it's number 21.
Frank Nevin.
2 minutes for cross-checking.
Will they get another goal?
I don't think so.
We'll see.
I think Belgium will kill this. But Georgia is coming in strong here.
Player number 21, Frank Nevin, gets a 2-minute penalty for cross-checking.
Georgia sets it up. Double drop. They have a hard time. Belgium gets it.
Good
Shot
shot.
on the net. Belgium keeps it in the offensive zone, sorry. Georgia gets it.
Well, I would have thought that was a tripping. Referee says no.
Georgia is getting their second breakout. See what happens. Oh.
Belgium clears it.
Third time's the charm.
Here comes Belgium. Belgium has killed this penalty pretty good. Georgia has hardly entered their
20
zone.
seconds left. They haven't been able to set up a good play. Just been in, it's their fourth breakout. Belgium is full strength. Powerful play by player number 17.
And here we have another penalty. That's supporting.
This time Belgium has a power play.
Player number 16 from Belgium.
Interesting to
Got
see
the feel of
their
this.
power play.
Player number 3 from Georgia gets a 2-minute penalty for boarding. And we get to see the Belgian power play.
Belgium Team Georgia, player number 3, Vyacheslav Potsevich. Yes,
Belgium managed to set up.
It's a good
Umbrella
block.
play
Yep.
on the half wall, down low. D to D. Oh,
Good shot.
dangerous shot. Oh yeah,
Oh.
it's a deadly. Oh wow!
That's
Great
a
shot.
beautiful goal. It's a long
Difficult
pass.
for the goalie.
It's a long pass from the corner.
Player number 14, all open. There you go.
What a nice finish.
Lower blocker.
And it looked like it was his first goal. At least I saw the players throwing the puck into the bench.
Dries blocks.
Goal for Team Belgium was scored by player number
1-1.
14, Dries Blokker. And with assist from number 7, Alex James.
Good hit. Player number 8. Oh, yeah.
High stick. Play goes out of the zone. Referee says Belgian player had too high stick.
It's a tight game.
Absolutely. Two well-playing teams. Iceland had a good lead over Bulgaria in the first game. Beat them 9-2. Here we have another
10-2.
penalty. 10-2.
Yes.
I stand corrected. Bulgaria has a quite young team. A lot of players from the Bulgarian team with cages in front of their face. It's not so many players on those teams who have cages in front of their face.
Penalty Team Georgia. Player number 6, Atem Turpatov, gets a 2-minute penalty for charging.
Belgium keeps it in.
Yep.
Good play by player number 17. Got a shot!
And a goal! It's a nice deflection. Easy shot from the blue line. Got a lot of time.
Goal for Team Belgium was scored by player number 16, Ryan Henry, with assist from number 19, Jordan Desmet, and number 17, Sam Feathers.
Goal number 2 from Belgium, scored by player number 16, Henry Bryan, with assist from number 19, Desmet Joren, and number 17, Sam Versel. Oh, it's a nice catch in the air. Belgium seems to be getting more coordinated after a rough start.
Team Belgium getting rid of their jet lag.
That's a good block. Team Belgium is playing tough hockey, finishing their hits, and we got another penalty.
Tripping.
Georgia, player number 18. 2 minutes for tripping. No. Player number 8 from Belgium getting 2 minutes for tripping. Looked like the player number 18 from Georgia was going to the box.
Georgia has a great opportunity to equal the game.
Absolutely. Both teams choosing to set up their power play from the left side. They can choose in the beginning where they want to set it up.
Team Belgium clears the puck.
Yes, a 2-minute penalty for tripping.
Let's see how their breakup turns out to be. No. They lose it out. Offside.
Offside. Team Belgium is playing their box play the same way as the Icelandic team did against Bulgaria. They are attacking really high. Makes it really hard for Georgia to set up in their zone.
DTT, a one-timer. Loose puck, loose puck.
Puck's loose. Was close. And we have a goal.
We have an equalizer. That's a really good tight game.
It's the same subscription as before. Shot and a rebound. I think the player in the corner was never shooting to score. He's only shooting for that rebound. It's a good play.
Goal for Team Georgia was scored by player number 2, Alexander
Both teams playing
Pilier,
equal strength.
with assist from number 8, Alexander Belovoy, and number 3, Vyazila Pocic-Civic.
Belgium is playing tough. They're angry. They don't want to. They don't want to be in the in this position.
Good hit.
Oh, Belgium shoots it.
Nice shot.
Terrible mistake in the Georgian defense.
Sneaky play.
Georgia has a difficulty clearing the puck. Both teams go in for a shift.
Goal number 2 for Georgia, scored by player number 2, Alexander Kiriev, and assisted by player number 8, Alexander Belomoin, and player number 3, Vyazlev Pochevich. It's a hard name for me to pronounce.
He's all alone. Rimming the puck. Icing. We have a quick player here, number 2 from Belgium. Belgium wins the puck again in their offensive zone.
It's a good pass. Here comes Georgia.
Get a shot on the net.
It's a nice save. Very equal game.
Yeah, very. First period, 4.5 minutes left. The first period. Both teams are getting used to this Icelandic ice.
Puck goes off the ice.
You know when these teams got in? When did they come to Iceland?
I'm not sure, but I think at least they had a practice yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're gonna guess that they either came in last morning or earlier than that.
Yeah.
Risky pass in front of the net.
Where I learned to play hockey, this was a hard no-no.
Yeah.
Risky pass in front of your own net.
Absolutely.
Blocked shot. Belgium keeps the puck in. Good passes around. Shot on the net.
Belgium has been better this game as setting up in the zone of Georgia. but Georgia has had like quick attacks. Belgium sets it up again. And
That's a penalty.
I think it did not went over the glass. Looks like it went straight to the bench,
Oh, okay.
so no penalty called.
Georgia got lucky. Georgia keeping the puck down low, dropping the puck in the corner. Hard one-on-one battle.
You can see there, like, penalty.
It's a waiting
Like
call.
now, player number 25 in the corner. He got all the time in the world to pass it up to the defenseman number 80. But they are not playing that kind of style. Georgia not using the defenseman a lot. Want to keep it down in the corner. And Georgia has a power play.
They have a good chance on scoring a goal, gaining a lead.
Penalty to Belgium. Player number
One-timer.
19, Lloyd
And goalie
There's a
keeps it.
penalty for trigger.
Georgia is a dangerous team. Quick offenses. Georgia keeps the puck on the wall. Dumps it down low. And a shot. This is the
And here
net.
comes Belgium.
Belgium one-on-one.
Belgium throws it back.
1 minute remaining in the first period.
Let's see what Georgia does. It's a good trap from Team Belgium.
Almost.
Oh, we have a call. Five on three. Georgia is playing 5, Belgium playing 3. Let's get a replay on that.
I think it was unlucky. Oh, I missed it again.
Let's see what Team Georgia does. 5 on 3 advantage. They lose the face-off.
Belgium. Player number 19, Jordan Desmet, gets a 2-minute penalty for
High
Ref
stick.
calls high stick. They lose the face-off again. Retrieve the puck. Shoot. They
And
score.
That's a goal.
That's a goal. Great effort. Difficult for Team Belgium.
It's player number 24. Scores directly from the shot, I think. Yeah.
It's hard to see from this angle.
And Belgium still got 1 minute and 45 seconds to kill. 23 seconds left of this period.
Georgia was scored by player number 24, Ivan Karelin, with assist from number 6, Artem Kupatov.
Georgia get a shot on the net. And now we have the first period of Belgium, Georgia. Exciting game, close, great goals.
Absolutely. Goal number 3 for Georgia was scored by player number 24, Ivan Karelin, and assisted by player number 6, Artem Kupatov.
What was your prediction for this or before this game?
My prediction was 5-3 for Georgia, so I'm still still in it. But it's an exciting game, both teams Welcome back.
Second period starting.
Georgia on a power play for 1 minute and 22 seconds.
Both teams have been very effective in power plays.
Absolutely. All goals this game have been scored on a power play. So, going to the box,
Georgia
not
wins
the best
first
idea.
face off. Georgia breaks out. Coast to coast, almost. Belgium wins the face-off. Clears the puck.
Georgia keeps it in.
Dumps it down.
And they get to set up their power play. 30 seconds left of this power play.
Shoots the puck.
Good save from the goalie.
Good save. Georgia has to get out.
That's an offside.
Offside. "19 seconds left of power play, Georgian power play." Dumps it down. Belgium tries to clear it. Georgia wins the puck. Tough play by player number 13.
5-on-5.
Ref in the way. Shot on the
Good
net.
save.
Good rebound control from the Belgian goaltender.
Yeah. Absolutely. Goalie goes wide out of the net. Steers it over the glass.
Misses the net.
Belgium keeps it in.
Shooter on the net.
Oh, that was close. Belgium got possession of the puck.
Belgian captain gives a good pass up the ice. 1-on-1.
1-on-1. It's a good save from the Belgian goalie.
Like I said, good rebound control.
Absolutely. It's a hard shot. It's always difficult when the player comes and shoots through the defenseman. Georgia is getting better at keeping the puck within the team for a longer time.
Nice shot, good save.
Belgia setting up in Georgian zone.
Belgium shoots the net. Finds the D. Georgia gets the puck. 1-on-1. Quick offense by Belgium. Georgians are back. Defending. No. Another shot. Another shot.
Blocked. That's blocked.
Belgium has a full possession. Full control. Misses the net. Good shot. Dangerous offense by Belgium.
And here comes a goal, I think. Belgia has one goal here in the air. Georgia has been stuck in the zone for quite a while. They clear it.
Long shift. They go in for a shift. Both teams. Belgium shoots the net. Misses. Georgians have a hard time defending. Dangerous offense by Team Belgium. Player number 10 hits the board hard.
He falls and slides badly into the board. Gonna try to stop saying Belgia and saying Belgium instead. I've even got this over to my partner who is saying Belgia as well. In Iceland we say Belgia.
We just have to say sorry if we're pronouncing names in our own accent. You just have to bear with us.
Here comes Belgium again. Belgium has been much stronger in the past 5 minutes or so.
Yep. This whole period they have been dominating.
Good hit.
Maybe a good speech from the Belgian coach.
Might be.
Both teams changing. Drops the puck on the blue line. Good pass. And a shot, a dangerous shot through the defense line.
Oh! Quick shot.
Right from the face-off.
Hits the side of the net.
Good pass from the defenseman.
That hurt.
Wow.
Straight to the laces.
He's all
Georgian
right.
player number 8 blocked that shot. Getting the feel of that.
This hurts. We hope they don't need to get the stretches. Yeah, he stands up. I bet this hurts.
He's wearing old graph skates.
Yeah, you don't see those often. I love those graph skates. Not a good pass.
Bad
Another
bad
shot
turnover.
from Georgia.
in the middle of the ice.
I remember playing against Team Belgium. We were playing against Morgan Brothers. I don't seem to see them on the team this year. Great players.
Yes, if I remember correctly, a couple of years ago, the Morgan brothers and the player here, number 21, Nevin, used to be like the
First line?
the top players in Team Belgium.
Yeah. They're just getting old like the rest of us. We don't know. Great play.
Good breakout from Belgium.
Plays hard.
Strong defenseman on Team Georgia, player number 3.
And Georgia gets through the Belgian defense. D to D. Get it on the wall. Stick battle behind the net.
Puck ends up on the back of the net, and the referee stops it. Good hit, really good hit.
Yes.
Georgia clears it.
Belgium has time to set up.
Good breakout.
And a hard hit. Hip check.
And we got a penalty. Player number 3 in Belgium, I think. No, player number 10. Belgium getting 2 minutes for roughing.
Maybe if Team Georgia has the same luck as before in their power plays, we'll see a 4-2 lead.
Yeah, might be. At least the Georgian power play has been strong, as well as Belgian power play.
Penalty Team Belgium, player number 10, Jacques de Coster, gets a 2-minute penalty for roughing.
Missed this pass. Now they have
Still
time
somehow
to set up. Break out.
Georgian power play has had difficulties setting it up, but once they have set it up, they have been quite
Dangerous.
strong.
It's a good play by the Belgian player. Ooh,
Good save.
Dangerous.
Belgium attacking on the Georgian power play. Georgia dumps it down, but there's just nobody to chase it. There's no support there.
Oh, what happened there? Was it an error in the console?
Yeah.
It's a lag. Belgium gets the puck, dumps it down for Team Georgia to pick it up. Drops the puck again. Georgia sets up the power play. 7 seconds left.
Keep it inside.
Oh, they're playing full strength. Ah, I missed this pass.
Team Belgium is now playing at full strength.
Belgium is attacking. Shoots the puck. Hits the D. The winger, sorry. They managed to keep it in. Shot on the net. Top
Player number
corner.
17 was completely free there. Oh, look over.
That's a nice pass.
Oh, and we have an equalizer.
It's a great pass through the zone. Now we have a replay.
It's a good pass to the weak side.
He managed to find the guy on the other side.
Yeah. He's completely alone there
And a good finish.
behind the defense. And
3-3.
3-3.
Wow, it's an equal game. 5 minutes left of the second period.
Goal for Team Belgium was scored by player number 19.
That's a wraparound. That was a close call.
Assist for number 17, Sam Vers. And number 6, Emil Goris.
Goal number 3 from Team Belgium, scored by player number 19, Joren Desmet. Assisted by player number 17, Sam Versels. And
Wow, Team
Emil
Georgia
Goris.
is in dangerous offense.
Georgia
net.
is lying on them.
The net is loose.
There's a couple of good saves there from the goalie, Belgian goalie. Kevin van Loveren.
Oh, that's an offense. Offside, sorry. Risky pass. Belgium keeps the puck in. Terrible bounce from the wall.
The boards. The boards here in Iceland at this ice rink are a little bit strange. Sometimes they have a really funny bounce.
Like this one.
Yeah.
Could have been an assist to a Belgian goal.
Oh,
It's a hard hit.
that's a hard hit. Player number 24 in Georgia really got to feel that.
Seems like he's struggling now.
Yeah. Oh, I think.
Good call. Belgium gives a nice pass.
Oh. Player number 24 has been on the ice for really long.
He's unable to shift. Now he goes off. No, he goes for an offense. Interesting.
Now he goes off.
Belgium shoots the net. Gets the rebound.
Good save.
The nice backhand shot. Georgia has a hard time shooting the puck out the zone, their own zone.
Hard hit. Belgium coming with a lot of speed, but that's an offside.
Fumble on the blue line.
One minute left of this second period.
1 minute remaining in the second period.
Hey.
The ref blocked that dump.
The referee gets shot. Still managed to keep focus on the game.
Georgia wins this face-off. Managed to get it out.
Nice play by the goalie.
Battle
Eases,
on the
eases
blue
a
line.
lot of pressure off the defenseman. It's a difficult puck for the goalie on the Georgian side.
Oh,
That's
that's
a slashing.
nice slashing. Missed by the ref. It's a hero blocking there. Good effort, tight game. We
Yep.
have a very interesting third period coming up. 20 minutes.
After
Good
Belgium
hockey.
coming really strong to the second period. we are live again.
1 minute to go. 20 minutes. Good hockey. Belgium wins the first face-off.
Little statistics from this game. In the first two periods, Belgium has had 22 shots against 18 shots from Georgia. Belgium has had 12 penalty minutes against 4 penalty minutes from Georgia.
I see. Good pass.
I would like to see Belgium shoot more.
They're kind of hesitating, waiting for the perfect shot.
Absolutely. And that's an offside. Hard shot for the goalie, goes off the player.
He's all alone. Gets his support on the other side.
Belgium are not coming as strong for this third period as in the second one. Georgia having more possession of the puck. Oh, it's a bad turnover.
Oh! Player number 14 from the Georgian team. It's been very good. Quick player.
The momentum is on the Georgian side at this moment.
Belgium comes through. Gets a good possession down below. Tries to find his teammate. Finds him on the blue line. Good shot.
Through the traffic.
Quick
Oh,
play
that's a bad
by
block.
Georgian team.
That hurt. The Belgian captain struggling there after this block. It's gonna come off now.
Hurt.
Good block.
Good block. Oh, that's a
and
nice hit.
beautiful hit.
A shot on the net. Kept by the
Belgian
goalie.
Yeah. Belgian goalie freezes it.
It's a lost puck.
How's
Couldn't
that not a
find it.
penalty? Think the referee missed this. And
What call is that?
player number 4 on Team Belgium,
Slashing call.
2 minutes penalty for clashing. And we have another Georgian power play.
We have a great Georgian support in the stands. Excited for the
Team Belgium, player
for the
number
power play.
4, Kola
Shot on the net, loose puck.
penalty for slashing.
It's a bad
Referee.
call.
The referee is a little too quick on that whistle. It's not the first time this game that happens. Puck was still loose.
The refs, they have mics, right? They're talking to each other.
I don't think they do have them now.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Hit the post.
Dangerous offense. With a good puck possession. Threading the shot. Good passes. And the shot.
Good save. And Belgium clears it. That was close for Belgium.
Good power play. Good setup. Good passing. Georgia is breaking out. Dumping the puck.
And they set it up again.
That's the shot. One-timer.
Good save.
That's a good save.
Absolutely. It's
A lot of
house
traffic
shot.
in front.
Good one-timer.
A bit too high though. That OV one-timer is a bit lower, right?
Georgia keeps it in.
The one-timer. Belgium clears the puck. 20 seconds
Bad
left of the
turnover.
power play. They have one chance to break out. Oh, they're cooling the play. Even strength.
Belgium is now playing at full strength.
Dangerous shot through the defenseman.
Good hit.
The Georgian team has been the better one in the third period, in my opinion. That's a strong play by player number 24.
Good puck possession.
He's tired. Belgium has an offense. Shoots the puck.
Good save. I think Team Georgia has been running this game on quite few players. I think they are mostly running 2 lines.
2 lines.
It's gonna be hard throughout the tournament.
Well trained 2 lines. If they're gonna keep playing like this. Belgium sets up the play. 5-on-5. Belgium shoots the puck.
Almost perfect breakaway pass. Bad turnaround. Belgium keeps it in.
Was that a call?
Nope. Referee is not calling anything. I missed this. Did he
Yeah, I didn't
check
see
him in
it.
the face?
Was it?
I missed it.
Belgium shoots the puck on the net. Goalie keeps it. Tall goalie from the Georgian team.
Now
185, I guess. Just by looking at the crossbar. Shot blocked. Belgium kicks the puck in. Drops it down. Puck bottle down below the net.
and we got another penalty. It's high stick. Player number 11. Team Belgium getting a 2-minute penalty.
Let's see a
for high
replay on that.
stick.
Just battle of the puck.
Was an
Unfortunately,
accidental.
hit him in the head. Yet, Georgian team has another power play.
Penalty Team Belgium, player number 11, Jeffy Gossett, gets a 2-minute penalty for high stick.
Belgian team seems to be quite a lot in the box, penalty box.
Yeah.
You have to stay out of the box if they're gonna have a chance winning this game. Ten minutes left of this game. Sorry, 9:15.
Georgia sets it up.
Threatens the shot. Shot from the blue line.
Good shot. A lot of traffic in front. It's a good save.
Shoots from the blue line.
We have a goal. Good
Dangerous power
deflection.
plays from Georgia. Dangerous power plays. Is it their fourth power play goal?
Yep. I think player number 11 deflects it in.
Shot. Shot from the blue line. A lot of traffic in front of the net. This is just really dangerous.
Yep.
The goalie doesn't see anything. Yep. Team Belgium has to keep out of the box if they're gonna have a chance winning this game.
Absolutely.
Goal for Team Georgia was scored by
5-3
player
doesn't
11,
seem
Andrei Romanov.
far away right now.
Number 3, Pietro Potacevic.
If you're calling the results from the beginning of the game, I'm calling you a wizard. Georgia has a great offensive chance.
Georgia had a good opportunity there to finish this game.
Finishing the game, I don't know about that. It's too early to say. But gaining a 2-goal lead. Drops a nice pass. Shoots the puck.
Good save.
Deflecting the puck. Good direction.
Yep. Goal number 4 from Georgia, scored by player number 11, Andrei Romanov, assisted by player number 3, Vyacheslav Potacevic. You're gonna have to forgive me on that.
Pronunciation. It's all right. They know we're in trouble trying to pronounce this. Beautiful names, though. Belgium wins the puck.
I like that. Now Belgium is starting to shoot. Although all these goals in this game have been scored from power play, many of them have as well been scored from rebounds, and you don't get any rebounds if you don't shoot. And we have another power play. Belgium is getting a power play here. Belgium. It's an elbowing penalty. Player number 3. 2 minutes for elbowing.
Tall defensemen, they have this in common, getting these calls, elbowing calls.
Yeah.
Penalty, Team Georgia, player number 3.
So do we get an equalizer here?
It's a 2-minute penalty for elbow.
I think so. We have a good setup here. Passing the puck around, getting these shots from the blue line. They have been dangerous this game.
There's a risky rebound there.
Oh, and one-timer.
That's a good save. Good control.
Right in the glove. Belgium wins the puck. Set up the power play.
Behind you.
There's puck in front of the net.
It's a good pass.
They're shooting. They're just passing through their box. Scrabble.
Georgia clears it. 40 seconds left of this power play.
Belgium shoots the puck.
Got a lot of time there.
He managed to keep it inside. Through the middle. They cooled down the penalty. One-timer again.
Good save.
They play even strength now. So Belgium has 5 minutes to score the next goal.
The goal is always safe. If it hits the logo in the middle of the jersey, you're in the correct position.
The Georgian team plays hard forecheck. Belgium has no time in their defensive zone when their wingers are so tough on them. Georgians break out. He's just comfortable there down below. Good pass. Missed the net. Team Belgium breaks out. Through the
Good
zone.
pass.
Belgium is getting frustrated.
It's a bad giveaway.
Ooh, close one. Belgium wins the puck. Drops it down low.
Throws it away. I think Belgium has to start being more aggressive. They're running out of time. Have to have a more aggressive forecheck.
2 minutes remaining in the third period.
Belgium has the puck. Set it up in the offensive zone.
That's
Good
a
block.
good block.
But it hurts. Oh, that hurts.
He's suffering there. Can we see a replay on that?
It's too late.
Too late. That's a good block.
Sacrificing himself for his team. And we have a timeout.
Beauty.
Timeout, Team Belgium.
Belgium is pulling their goalie. So we got 6 attacking Belgiums on the ice.
This is exciting. 1 minute, 43 seconds left. 6 men against 5. 6 players.
My opinion is that Belgium is pulling their goalie a little bit too early. I might be wrong.
Georgian player losing their helmet. Not allowed to play on the ice if you're missing a helmet.
He was thinking about
Yeah,
playing without it.
A bit too excited. Risky play. Look, he missed the net.
Belgium wins it back.
Good
Here
breakout.
comes
Still playing 6 players against 5. Was a close call.
Yep.
Team Georgia could have scored there easily. Georgia
wins the faceoff. Belgium wins the puck.
Blocked by Georgia.
35 seconds.
Half minute left. Good possession by Team Belgium. Risky pass. Ooh. Good block. And the shot. Shot. Loose puck.
Now the referee waits a little bit, blowing the whistle, making 100% sure that the goalie has the puck. That comes out in a little scrum in front of the net.
"17 seconds left. Still no goalie in the net from Team Belgium. Belgium wins the face-off. One-timer.
Oh,
Ah. 3 seconds left. Shot. Georgia wins 4-3. Great team effort. Lot of blocked shots.
yes.
Good hard-working team wins. Even game.
Absolutely. Team Belgium maybe a little bit too much in the box.
Final score,
Yeah.
Belgium 3, Georgia
Cost
4.
them a lot to be in the box.
Yeah.
All goals of this game scored on power play.
Yeah, they should have stayed out of the box. They had a good second period, but Team Georgia, they won period 1 and 3, in my opinion.
Best player of Team Belgium, player number 17, Sam Fennels.
Best player of the game for Team Belgium, player number 17, Brian
Best
Henry.
player of Team Georgia,
No, sorry, Sam.
player
Fennels.
number 2, Alexander Kirill.
Best player of Team Georgia, player number 2, Alexander Kirill.
Great hockey game.
Yeah,
Ladies
I agree.
and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Georgia.
Yeah. We just say thank you.
Yep. Thank you for watching.
That concludes
And
the
we'll
madness
see you again
for
tomorrow.
today. We hope to see you